Good morning, students. I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. As usual, today I would like to discuss with you a new topic for class 9 and 10 from your English grammar, that is completing sentence. Completing sentences. Dear students, you know, in a complete sentence, you will find a subject and a predicate. In your question paper, you will get 5 incomplete sentences. Your duty to complete these sentences by using your own words according to the structure. So, first of all, today I would like to discuss with you about so that. If you get at the end of a sentence so that, you need to use and what the structure should be followed. Let's see. He works hard so that. If you get this sort of examples, look at the sentence. So that. If you look at the words, so by the verbs, it indicates present indefinite tense or present tense. So you need to use here the first subject once again. He. If the verb is in present tense, then you need to use can or may. Can or may. You know, after the modal auxiliary verb, you need the form of the verb always in present form. So, here, if you want to use any sorts of verb, but you need to use the form of the verb is in present form. So, you work hard so that he can or may prosper or shine in life. Prosper in life. You can use here can or may after the subject. So the sentence is he works hard so that he can prosper in life. Another example for you. Rohim worked hard so that look at the verb worked and look at the subject here. Rohim is a pronoun, so you need to use here the pronoun form of Rohim. So he or it indicates the past tense. So the past form of can or may, that is could or might. Could prosper in life. Here you can use might also. So Rohim worked hard so that he could prosper in life. Dear students, from the two examples you get a structure. After so that you need to use the first subject once again, and after subject you need to use modal auxiliary, that is can, could, may, might, etc. After the modal auxiliary verb, you need to use the principal verb. and the form of the verb obviously is in present form. So, is there any question? Okay. Let's move forward. Today I would like to discuss with you another easy thing for you, that is in order that. If you get in order that at the end of an incomplete sentence, then you need to use or you need to follow the same structure as so that Dela went to their shop in order that look at the sentence. Dela went to a hair shop in order that, as the before example, you need to use here the pronoun form of Dela, that is see. Look at the verb when, indicate past. So here you can use could or might. Could. We went to hair shop for sales of what? Yeah. She could sell her hair. So, Dela went to a hair shop in order that she could sell her hair. Do you understand? Properly or not? Okay. Let me clear to you another by giving another example. He said money. Money in order that. He saves money in order that. So you need to use first subject. Look at the verb saves present. So can buy some books. He saves money in order that he can buy some books. Here you can also use may. Okay? Okay, dear learners. So far you have got a structure. So that and in order that is almost same. So if you recall the structures from the examples, you will find after so that or in order that, we need to use the first subject. Once again, if the sentence is in present, then you need to use can or may. On the other hand, if the sentence is in past tense, then you need to use can or could. After can, may, could or might, the form of the verb, principal verb, always in present form. So, just you need to use the structure properly and try to make the sentence complete. So, dear learners, now I would like to discuss with you another new thing with you. That is as if. He tells the matter as if. He tells the matter as if. Try to use the first subject. He. Here there is a rule. If the first clause is in present tense, then after as if you need to make the sentence is in past tense. So here the verb will be in past form. He tells the matter as if he knew it, isn't it? He tells the matter as if he knew it. Look at the verb knew. That indicates in past. So, from these examples, you will get a rule or structure. The structure is after as if or as though, you need to use a subject and the principal verb always be in past form. Before as if is in present tense, after as if it will become in past tense. So, if you look another examples, he told the matter as if, or here you can also get as though. He told the matter as if. Look at the verb told. That indicates past tense. So here the form will be used here. The tense will be past perfect. So he had known. So, before as if the sentence is in past tense, then after as if, we must use had and the past participle form of the principal verb. That is, the tense will be in past perfect. He told the matter as if he had known it. My dear students, to express unreal past after as if or as though, we need to use where. For example, Rohim donates money as if look at the verb donates. So normally you have to use the first form or the sentence will be in past tense. But after the first subject, you need to use where. Was a rich man. This sort of sentence, these types of sentence, you need to use where. My dear students, today I intend to take more class with you, but we have a limitation of time. So that's all from my today's class. I hope you have enjoyed my class, and for your kind information, if you have any questions, then write down your questions in the comment box. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.